Hey besties, so for today's video, I'm going to be renovating the kind of ugly starter house which you get when you start the game. We've all seen this. It's kind of weird looking. It's just not cute. Looking like back at this house, it just looks really like weird. I don't know why they built it like this. So today, I'm going to be giving it like a renovation. I think I'm going to be adding like a second story. I'm going to be making it a family house ish. I think I'm gonna have 2 bedrooms, and I'm just gonna make this house laid out a bit better. I have an idea for it right now. This will be like the living room. I'll turn this area into a kitchen. Well, it's already a kitchen, but I'll open it up and make this like the dining room area. I'll turn this into a little small bedroom, and I'll have like a master bedroom upstairs and a bathroom. So my goal is just to make this house like a little less ugly, like a little more interesting, I guess, and make it more my style, even though my style is just kind of spending way too much on decoration. But I do have a budget for this build. I think it's gonna be 12K, and then I will upload it to the marketplace for 15K. I'll have like a tour and the code at the end of this video, but it'll be on the marketplace for 15K, and I think it'll be a really nice starter home for y'all if you're just starting the game. It'll be a great place to have a family, but yeah, let's like just get into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is just like remove this ugly table. I don't know why they have like outdoor chairs for it. And I'm gonna open up this area so it just isn't as like weird, and turn this area of the bedroom into a dining room. I am removing the like counters and stuff because they just are ugly. I don't know why they use those counters. I'm gonna be using these cuter counters for it. Getting dark, but this kitchen is already looking a lot better. It has a little island. I added some cute lights above it, but over here I think I'm gonna have a bay window thing and have a table around it. I'll fix up this ugly floor, but yeah, I got the bay window, and let's start with the little dining area. Okay, and now I have this little cute window area. Before I move on to anything else though, I think I should just start the exterior. And of course I will color all this stuff. I'm just trying to lay it out first. Okay, I changed up the structure of this house a lot. So, gave it a second story, and I made this little awkward area into a carport and extended this bathroom area so it could be a bigger bedroom. I just thought it was like really weirdly far away. But yeah, now you can kind of see the vision of what I am going for this starter home. This is already looking a lot nicer because before it was really crusty, ugly, the shape was weird, so now I think this is a lot better. Okay, so first things first, I think this house needs some like shutters, and it needs a new like wall texture because I think that this just looks really weird all of brick. So let's just turn that into a little bit of a more suburban like what's it called? Siding type of thing. I think that these like basic shutters actually are really like fit with the vibe of this house, so I'm gonna keep them like that. I'm gonna like try to make this house a bit traditional, I guess, more of a classical house, at least they did. But the roof, let's work on that. The coloring of it, it was originally like a reddish kind of color, so I'm gonna make it a darker red, and I'm not sure what texture I'm gonna use. This is already looking so much cuter. It looks just a lot nicer. It's a bit more open. I obviously haven't changed the colors or anything, but this is like a lot nicer of a home. But now I'm gonna work up on it, fixing the landscaping, because right now it is very rough. I'm just gonna place like a big tree around it so it doesn't look weird. I'm just gonna make it pretty basic landscaping with a few bushes. Alright, now that it looks normal and a lot bigger and nicer, I'm gonna go back and work on the interior. Why do these counters look like two different colors? They are the same color, it says, but those do not look the same. But anyways, I'm working on it, coloring up this kitchen and this little area. I'm sorry if you can hear background noise, but look at this kitchen. I just changed up some of the colors, added some trim, all of that basic stuff. Look at how nice this is looking, and right now it's only $1,000 more than the actual starter house. This looks so much better, but let's move on to the living room. It's really rough right now. I'm just gonna start by removing that really ugly TV and a really small one, and get a nice TV, get a nice cheap TV stand, all of that basic stuff. This already looks like a million times better than the old living room. I got a nice TV, and I think I'm just gonna change up the couch, like the colors on it, maybe add another chair, and maybe I'll turn this area into a little like desk office area. I don't really know. This looks so cozy. It's like kind of empty, but I like it. I think it's really good for a starter house. First things first, I'm gonna change out this really weirdly expensive door for a cheaper door, because I know there are cheaper options. This door is like $200 cheaper than the other one, but it looks so much nicer. The pricing in this game kind of doesn't make sense, but I'm gonna use it for my advantage here. But now we are going to move on into this, which right now is a bathroom, but this is gonna be a kid's bedroom. Let me just move up the bedroom stuff, the bathroom stuff up here, so we can use that later. Now that I'm looking at it, this room is really small, but I placed all the furniture down and I think it looks really cozy and cute. I think this is nice for just a little starter kid's bedroom. I'll of course change up the colors, but I think this is a really nice place if you're gonna like role play. This room looks so cozy, but now I'm gonna move up to the master bedroom after I fix up the color of these stairs. Whenever I try to change the color, these stairs are glitching. I don't know why, but I'm gonna move up the stairs now. This house actually ended up having a lot more space than I thought. I'll hire the cleaning service to get rid of that. There's enough space for 3 bedrooms in this house. They're kind of small, but I think that's alright. So it's gonna be a great house for family role playing, because you can have 3 people here. Okay, this room is really small. It's kind of similar to the kids' bedroom. I think maybe this one is for a teenager. It looks a little more mature, I guess. I don't know. I didn't put a teddy bear, but they're pretty similar. Alright, next onto this family bathroom is really weird and narrow, but I'm gonna try to make it look nice. I'm gonna use these cheap double sinks, and maybe I'll have a bathtub over here. Okay, I finished the bathroom, but I'm a little scared because we're almost at our 12K budget. We are at 11.1K right now, but this bathroom I think looks pretty cute. I'm not sure if I can do the master bedroom for under like $900, but I will try to. Okay, and I did it. This house is just over our 12K budget. It's 12K and $28, so it's pretty much 12K. I added a lot to this home, and I only doubled the price. I added 2 bedrooms and made it just a lot bigger and nicer. I'm just gonna quickly change up the decal in the dining room, and then I'm gonna give a finished tour of the house. Okay, I got this nice decal from Knock Tunnels Inventory. They have really good decals. But anyways, it is time for the grand tour. Okay, I got my moods up, kinda, but I wish it was daytime for this tour, but I'm just gonna give the grand tour right now because I am not waiting those like 7 hours for the sun to come out. So here is the outside of the home. It is a lot bigger than the other house. Well, it's much bigger than the before, but yeah, there is a little bit of landscaping. I just placed a tree and some bushes so it didn't look abandoned or anything like that. But yeah, here's this grand door I added. And here is the little living room area. I think it just looks really cozy. I have some books over here, so you could probably just sit here or read a book. And it's really cute and cozy. I don't know why this floor, I don't know why this ceiling is a weird texture. But here is this little dining room area. I think it's super cozy. I love these little window seats. I've been doing them in a lot of my houses. Well, the one I'm working on right now, but here is the kitchen. I did not test these stools, and oh my gosh, this is the right way. This never happens where the stools are facing the right way when I place them. But yeah, there's just a basic little kitchen. It's got everything you need. It's got the fancy fridge, which I added. And over here is the kids' bedroom. It's really basic, I don't know, but it's fine. It's a nice place for if you are going to roleplay. But upstairs now, here is the teens' bedroom. It's it's really small, but it's cozy. I like these kind of like bed areas in the corner. I don't know, but now for the family bathroom, it's just whatever. It's just to get your moods up. It doesn't really matter. So I didn't make it too nice looking. I wanted to stay under budget. But here is the master bedroom. I really like this bed. I think it looks super nice. But yeah, the lighting is kind of like really white and spooky. Maybe too white. But yeah, I really like this. I think I'll change up the lighting in a second. But yeah, I think that this looks cozy. It looks like a kind of realistic house. It isn't the most decorated because of course I need to stay under budget. But I think that it is really nice, way better than the really ugly, stinky starter home you get. Okay, the lights look a bit more natural now. They don't look as like super white and spooky. But now I'm gonna upload this house to the marketplace and I'll give you all the code. Okay, so it's gonna be really cheap, only $15,000 for a starter house, and it is the starter house Reno. I will have the code in the description so you can just copy and paste it. But now it is up on the marketplace. If you want to get it, you see right here, you can get this nice family starter house. Okay, this is the end of the video now. See y'all. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like the video. It really helps me out. I am a new channel, and also leave a comment if you want to, because it's kind of spooky not having any comments. Am I doing it right? Am I doing YouTube right? But yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy this house. I tried to make it really affordable and cheap and cozy so that everyone can just get it and have a nice house. Even when they're pretty new to start the game, you can like afford this really easily. I think there's like a treasure hunting or whatever. You can Google it, but it gives you 10k. So if you just do that and delete your starter house, you can afford this one. So it's a really accessible. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna stop rambling. See ya.